Hello there. So you want to know how you can get Google Authenticator code? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First of all, simply go and open the account that you want to set up your Google Authenticator with, and then simply go ahead and have set up Google Authenticator on that account. And then it's going to give you a QR code which you want to scan with your Authenticator app. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and search for Google Authenticator just like that. And once you've done that, simply click on this application, download and install it onto your device and click on open. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, there are so many codes. It's because I've already linked a lot of accounts. If you want to go ahead and link the account, so just simply go ahead and click on this plus icon and click on scan a QR code. And remember the code I told you, which is going to be shown in the account that you want to set up Google Authenticator code on. Simply go ahead and scan that QR, and then it's simply going to show up just like this. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button